It don't matter where we go, it don't matter where we stay tonight. Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright. It don't matter what we say, it don't matter how we make things right. Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright. When I'm with you, when I'm with you, everything will be alright. With you.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Youth Stories. Thank you for joining us today. So today I'm doing house hunting in Mirema. Enjoy the video and don't forget to hit that subscription button. So this is a one-bedroom house.
Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the
And it has an open kitchen.
I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away. I know we could both do better.
So when you enter, the first thing you see on your right is the bedroom. And this is how the bedroom looks like.
If you never look in the mirror.
So the cabinets are white in color.
Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream, so why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're
And this house is going for 25,000 Kenyan shillings.
setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame.
So this is how the cabinets are inside.
Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream, so why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die? I asked and you just start crying. How are you acting so surprised? Haven't you seen it in my eyes? Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything, you took it all and took it for granted. If you're still
And for those who don't know where Mirema is just next to Roysambu. That is a long Thika road. So under the first thing you see on your left is the toilet, combined washroom.
standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away. I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone,
So your mirror has been placed inside the washroom.
waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running.
This over here, you can just come and check yourself inside here.
Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream, so why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die? I asked and you just start crying. How are you acting so surprised? Haven't you seen it in my eyes? Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's go
So this is the whole view of the washroom.
setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame.
And I love the lighting that has been used here.
Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream, so why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead.
Now next, we go to the living room. So we are starting with this open kitchen.
Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream, So why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die? I asked and you just start crying. How are you acting so surprised?
And from here you can now see the space.
Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you.
And these lightings.
Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away. I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going?
Yes, so these cabinets are just enough to put some small stuff inside it. Now this is the full space. And the lighting. You also have a balcony.
Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream, so why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die? I asked and you just start crying.
And the lighting in the living area isn't bad. It has some good lighting inside it. So this is how your balcony looks like.
Doesn't dream, so why are you always sleeping?
And from the outside you can see the view.
Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream, so why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of.
Just surrounded by other apartments.
Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away. I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything.
There's some uniformity in the tiles that have been used and the counter, the color of the counter.
Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away.
And more details about the house is going to be in the description box. So in case you need more details, you can just check the details on the description box and reach out to me. And if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscription button. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.
Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away. I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream, so why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die? I asked and you just start crying. How are you acting so surprised? Haven't you seen it in my eyes? Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything. You took it all and took it for granted. If you're still falling out of love, maybe it's 'cause I'm not enough.